Okay, Thursday again. I guess Thursdays are problem childs. We did a transmission in this car. The lady's saying it sounds like a go-kart now. I'll take you guys for a ride with me. She had no transmission from before. I'm not sure what's going on, but I just got back from it and I'm a little bit dumbfounded. But I'll take you for a ride and see what customers tell us on a daily basis when they get their car back. Okay, so this is sitting still at idle. And this is outdoor of the car. We do have another Nissan here that we'll do a comparison with. We're going to head and pull up whatever code's on this thing. I think it had a code when it came in and it still has a code now. We'll verify that. But you can hear. So here's one, check this out. We have a purge volume control valve. That's it. So that had nothing to do with the transmission, but we'll have to address that also. But I doubt that's going to be the thing that's making it sound like a go-kart, as she said it. All right, so we'll go ahead and set that to the side. Let's take this thing for a ride. I'll probably do a couple short videos so we don't burn up all the 3 minutes for this short video. That way you guys can hear acceleration and maybe a highway speed. That was acceleration. You could tell by how fast I accelerated, the amount of throttle I used. This is cruising 45 miles an hour. Air conditioning's on, no radio. It's interesting. I just noticed that the U.S. Postal Service does not have a license plate on their vehicle. Okay, so the last part of the video is going to be doing a hard acceleration. Nothing that I can tell, that's a go-kart sound. Let me know what you think in the comments below.